One.
What? Out. Out. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Poke Shock Show here. Going to be opening up some Mega Break and some Mega Symphonia Pack Battle. Which one is better?
Battle. Battle. All right, let's get it.
Alright, so let's count the shocks. Sand Slash. Ooh, pretty little dancer. Ooh, little snowman. Milton. Crabber Krabby. Ooh, that was pretty on. Nice. 4. Energy drink. Points. That's 1.
One.
Ooh, let's go. That's a nice one.
Nice.
Woohoo! Latios,
yeah.
Mega. Woo. Oh, that's 1. That's 2. No. Oh, that's
Another shock.
3. Come on.
Oh, wait, that
bruh.
was so cute.
Wish upon a star.
Oh, another shock. I got a lot of
4.
shocks in here, buddy.
Jeez.
And a fountain.
Nothing. So 4 shocks. Just do it real fast. Go.
Shocks.
Go.
One.
1. Ouch. Nice. 2. Ouch.
4.
No more. No
I
more.
think I'm slow enough.
Oh, but look, nice little hit though. Woo, woo, woo. Love it. Please follow for more shocks.